In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your saved items on Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook Marketplace is an incredibly useful feature offering a simple way to browse, buy, and sell items both within your local area and beyond. As you navigate through the ocean of offerings, you might come across items you want to look at later. Thankfully, Facebook has a saved items feature that lets you bookmark these products for future reference. So let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can easily access your saved treasures on Facebook Marketplace. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Facebook's website. If you're already a Facebook user, you may be automatically logged in. If not, you'll need to either log into your existing account or create a new one if you are not yet a member. Once you've set that up, you'll find yourself on the main home page where all the newsfeed action happens. Now that you've logged in successfully, the next step is to locate the little icon that represents Marketplace. It's usually visible either in the sidebar section on the left side of your screen if you're using a computer, or along the bottom of the screen if you're on a mobile device. The icon resembles a small shop front, and clicking on it will take you directly to Facebook Marketplace. This is your portal to the sprawling digital marketplace filled with listings. Once you've entered the marketplace section, you'll want to look for a tab or link labeled Buying, a section dedicated to keeping track of items you have shown interest in, whether wanted or already purchased. You can find this by checking the menu bar typically located on the left-hand side of the screen on a desktop or a drop-down menu on a mobile device. Within this buying section, you'll see another option titled Saved. Clicking on Saved will bring up a list of all the items you've decided to bookmark as you scroll through the endless options on Facebook Marketplace. This functionality ensures that you don't lose track of items that caught your eye and that you want to revisit. The saved items list is a great tool to prioritize your window shopping or actual shopping needs without diving back into the seemingly endless list of offerings. This section notifies you if any items have had a change in price or if they are still available. In a few simple steps, you have accessed all of your saved items. So there you have it. Navigating Facebook Marketplace and checking on your saved items has never been easier. Remember that consistently reviewing your saved items and managing them is key to ensuring you make informed choices in this digital shopping world. Enjoy exploring and happy shopping.